HELLO. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to tell you about the solution chapter and this video is about ideal solution and non-ideal solution, their difference, their similarities, whatever. So let's start. First one, what is ideal solution? In ideal solution it obeys Raoult's law, whereas in non-ideal solution it not obeys Raoult's law. And in ideal solution partial pressure observed is equal to the partial pressure calculated, means जो ऑब्जर्व करेंगे हम लोग पार्शियल प्रेशर वही कैलकुलेटेड के इक्वल होगा, बल्कि इसमें होगा नॉन सॉल्यूशन में पार्शियल प्रेशर ऑब्जर्व इज नॉट इक्वल टू कैलकुलेटेड. एंड डेल्टा मिक्सिंग इंथैल्पी मीन्स जो चेंज होगा इंथैल्पी में एनर्जी में वो ज़ीरो के इक्वल होगा, मतलब कोई चेंज ही नहीं होगा. नो हीट रिलीज एंड और एब्जॉर्ब्ड. एंड इन नॉन आइडियल the case is opposite. Delta mixing enthalpy is not equal to 0, that means heat released or absorbed. And in ideal solution delta mixing volume enthalpy is equal to the 0, means volume is constant and no change in volume, while in non-ideal solution there is change in solution, means volume of solution changes, so delta mixing volume enthalpy is not equal to 0. In ideal solution, force of attraction between solute particles is equal to the solvent particles, means force of attraction between AB is equal to the AA and BB. And in non-ideal, AB force of attraction is not equal to the AA force of attraction plus BB force of attraction. And one thing is to note down that no solution is ideal solution except N-heptane and N-hexane and benzene and toluene, whereas non-ideal solution are all the solutions except this, except N-heptane and N-hexane and benzene toluene. All the solutions are non-ideal solution. So this video is about solution chapter, and hope you like the video. If you like, so please subscribe to my channel and check the playlist where you get many important topics for board exam, NEET, JEE, etc. So thank you and have a nice day.